Well, Utopicar did it again. They always try to keep us safe by creating lots of different blind spot mirror of all shape and sizes. And now to add to the collection of mirrors that are available, they created this massive Rearview mirror that just clips on into the back of your OEM mirror. This Rearview mirror have a nice curve to it to give you an extra wide angle of view area. Here's the difference in between your OEM mirror at the top and the Utopicar Rearview mirror at the bottom. You can see how much wider you can see with the mirror. You can actually see out of the side window too. You can even see your passenger if they're talking to you, and your kids in the back seat or your dog. Just like all of the other Utopicar mirror, blind spot or Rearview mirror, this mirror is made out of real glass. It is extremely easy to install. All you need to do is just unclip one of the rubber bracket and slip it onto your OEM mirror. Just like this. And now we just have to pass the rubber part in the back of the mirror and come back at the bottom here and clip it. And now, bang, it's already installed. We're ready to rock and roll with it. Adding this Rearview mirror, especially in conjunction with some blind spot mirror on your vehicle, it's going to pretty much remove any of the blind spot. Utopicar is a great company that I personally trust in order to add some extra feature for safety component in my vehicle. I trust them so much that I actually added all of those mirror too, blind spot mirror and this Rearview mirror also in my kid's car because he's a new 16-year-old driver and I want to put as much chance as I can on his side so that he can not be into an accident. If you're interested in getting one of those Rearview mirror or any of the blind spot mirror that Utopicar makes, just use my affiliate link in the description below. That will bring you right to their site, and then you can shop for whichever mirror or blind spot mirror, Rearview mirror that you like to get to keep yourself safe and your family safer.